Okay, ma'am. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Okay. Done. Okay. Fine. Now we are on page number industrial accident we had completed, viral diseases we had completed, right? Now we came on terrorist attack, right? Now we are going to discuss about the terrorist attack. Now see, terrorist attacks are also a man-induced disaster. The reason is what? That humans only had created the situation. Like for example, humans had made bombs, humans had made weapons, right? And they were using to disturb the surrounding of our, or destruct the surroundings. इसी के लिए humans ये terrorist attack करते हैं. Now terrorist attacks are in a many ways it has been done, right? या फिर bomb attack किया, that is terrorist attack. Then human bomb means on their body they have completely keep put all the different types of bombs, and then they entered into some place and then they bombard themselves, तो उसके साथ जितने आजू बाजू लोग हैं they also died, right? So this is the another way of terrorist attack. Then third in third, people just ransack, यानी गोलियां मार के, जैसे बॉम्बे में हुआ था. They just do the firing, open fire they do anywhere, everywhere, right? So that is also a part of a terrorist attack. Now see class, terrorist attack ऐसा कोई रेस या कम्युनिटी के लिए नहीं होता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब टेररिस्ट मारते हैं या कोई कहीं पे भी बॉम्ब फेंकते हैं, तो ये नहीं सोचते कि यहाँ पे मुस्लिम होगा तो नहीं मरना चाहिए. वो बॉम्ब फेंकेंगे तो इफ Muslim is there, then also he is going to die, and if Hindu is there, then also they are going to die. So when we talk about our humans mentality is there. A terrorist attack has been done by some religion. No, they don't believe in religion, they don't believe in race, they don't believe in community. They just believe that we have to create fear in the human's mind, right? We have to destroy the peace and harmony in the society. So that is the reason only this all different types of activities are done. And whenever the terrorist attack happens, right, so it destruct property, it destruct the humans daily life, right? Then it create a fear, atmosphere of fear will create everywhere, right? So this all are the part of the terrorism. Now on the name of terrorism, abduction भी किया जाता है. abduction मतलब किसी को kidnap कर लिया, right? फिर उसको मार दिया, या फिर पैसे मांगे, right? genocide किया जाता है. genocide means in which large number of people were killed without reason, right? So there are many different types of attacks that has been done, right? And on that basis, people were killed on a very large number. Here some examples also has been given, how the big terrorist attack had been seen by the world. जैसे कि 2001 में 9/11 यूएस पे उनके ही प्लान हाईजेक करके उनकी ही सबसे बड़ी बिल्डिंग को उड़ा दिया. So that was a terrorist attack, right? So there are many ways how the terrorist attack happened. In our country, Indian parliament pe terrorist attack had been happened in 2001. Then in 2008 the terrorist attack happened in Taj, right, on the railway station. So there are many big terrorist attack that our country and the whole world had seen, right? So today we are going to discuss about the terrorist attack. Now what should be done and what should not be done to save ourselves from the terrorist attack, that we are going to discuss afterwards. So let's first discuss what terrorist attack means exactly. Yes, Krishna, read.
Yes, ma'am. Terrorist attack. We all know that since last decade of the last century, the terrorist activity in the entire world has become very much big. In reality, terrorism does not care for any race, community, or a religion. It is the enemy of mankind. The immoral, destructive acts performed by a person or group is called terrorism. Inhuman acts like destruction of property, creating an atmosphere of fear, and thereby draw attention towards their demand, genocide, abduction, etc. are terrorist weapons. Nowadays, the terrorism has spread in many countries of the world. In recent times, perhaps no country is safe from terrorism. Some terrorist incidents of the world.
Wait. Now Rishi read beta.
Some theoretical attacks of the world. On 11 September 2001, a series of suicidal attacks were made in USA by a terrorist organization. About 19 terrorists hijacked four passenger jet planes, of which two planes were dashed up against the Twin Tower in the New York City. Due to this, all passengers on board and many people working in this tower were killed. Within a few minutes, many people were injured. Their house collapsed on the other two planes on the dash with the Pentagon and the other dash in the farm in Pennsylvania. There
Pennsylvania.
was a there was a no survivor for these two planes. In this attack, about 3,000 people were victims and more than 6,000 were injured. On 13 December
Okay,
2001,
wait. Now, you understood this. What happened? Four planes were hijacked. Two was, put on the. They have dashed on the twin towers. So biggest, one of the biggest buildings of the USA was collapsed within hours, right? And then one Pentagon building, that was the most secured building of USA. There they had done this, right? And the fourth was in the Pennsylvania, means in the open farm it happened. And in those people who were in the plane, they all were died, right? People, those who were in the twin building, hundred thousands of people from there died. So the population, the people of very large number died in this terrorist attack of USA. Yes, read better. Now, wait. Drumi will read. Drumi, read.
Okay, ma'am. On the night of 26 November 2008, a series of bomb blasts and firing took place near well-known hotels and some important places in Mumbai. At a regular interval, about 137 persons were injured. In some well-known hotels, the terrorists kept many people under custody. The central government sent 200 NSG National Security Guards, commandos, 50 military commandos, and 5 battalions to control the situation. After 2 days of struggle, all the terrorists equipped with modern armaments were killed. In December 2014, about 141 persons, including 132 innocent students, were killed in terrorist attack on an army school located in a cantonment area of Peshawar in Pakistan.
Peshawar in Pakistan. Yes. See, when we talk about we are talking about okay, Pakistan do this, Pakistan do that. So here one example has been given of Peshawar. Maybe you also know about it, right? कि पेशावर में टेररिस्ट एक स्कूल में यानी कंटेनमेंट में मतलब आर्मी की स्कूल्स थी, वहां पे दे गेट इनटू दैट स्कूल एंड देन दे हैव सारे बच्चों को उन्होंने ऐसे कहा कि आप अपना सिर नीचे कर दो, और फिर उनको सबको मार डाला था. Means they have killed small children at that period of time. So the terrorists do not have any religion, they don't have sympathy, they don't have pity, they don't have anything. They just believe in creating fear in the people's mind. So this all are the examples, this all are the one of the biggest example from which we come to know and we understand that terrorist attack is have no we cannot keep faith on any वन, मतलब इसीलिए हमें कहा जाता है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर लिविंग सम एरिया, in some area, right? And if you will see some activities happening which you feel कि it's it's very uncommon, यानी बहुत अजीब लग रहा है आपको कुछ भी, a person also, his activity also, his coming and going timings also. So there are many things that will, if you will be little bit vigilant, if the people will be little bit vigilant, then this type of activity can be we can save ourselves from the such terrorist activities. Like for example, when we are going somewhere and we find some thing that has been that has been kept for a while, and nobody is coming for that belonging, यानी कोई आ ही नहीं रहा है उस चीज को लेने के लिए, तो then you have to directly you have to call the police, right? So for many, all these things should be taken care of. Like for example, when you go to the public places, shopping malls, gardens, right? Do not touch any unclaimed things, मतलब आपको जिस बारे में जिस चीज को पता नहीं है उस चीज को आपको टच नहीं करना है, right? If you will feel something is going wrong or something happening wrong, then you have to call the police directly, right? Then whenever when you go to big buildings or some temples, there are thorough checking hoti hai, security checking hoti hai. So at that period of time also you have to be very careful and you have to cooperate with them, यानी security checking में आपको हमेशा उनका cooperation करना चाहिए, या फिर ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए कि मैं क्यों करूँ, I am like this and that. No, you always have to cooperate as a good citizen of a country, right? And CCTV camera should be equipped everywhere now, so everywhere we have CCTV cameras, right? Then whenever you rent your house, यानी आपका घर है और आप किसी को रेंट पे दे रहे हो, तो पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी. कोई आपको बोले कि मैं आपको ज्यादा भाड़ा दूंगा, आप पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन मत करवाओ, तो नो, you have to go through the police verification, because you will remain safe if you will go with the police verification, right? So this, all the things should be taken care of, right? Then whenever you travel in a plane or you travel in a bus, you travel in a train, कहीं पे भी आप जा रहे हो, तो आप ऐसा देख रहे हो कि कोई बंदा अपना लगेज या कुछ भी भूल गया है या फिर छोड़ के चला गया है, तो you have not to touch that thing. You have to call police and then police will take care of it. So all these things should be taken care of, right? Then if you will find some person who is in your neighboring, and who is you feel his activity is not normal, यानी आपको उसकी एक्टिविटी टाइमिंग्स आपको नॉर्मल ना लगे, देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कॉल द पुलिस. So all these things, if you will be remain vigilant na, so then the accident can be controlled. So these things should be done at that period of time. अब what not to do, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, so do not accept any goods or parcel from any unknown person. If you don't know that person and that person comes to your house and give the parcel, don't take that parcel from that person, right? And if you rent a house, you have to go through thorough inquiry, then police verification. Everything should be done on a proper way, right? Then do not sell your house, home, mobile phone or a vehicle to any unknown person. जिसको आप पहचानते नहीं हो उसको आपका घर या व्हीकल या फिर मोबाइल फोन नहीं देना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो हाउ दे यूज योर थिंग्स. आपको ऐसा लगता है मुझे तो पैसा मिल रहा है मैं दे रहा हूँ. नो, in future also, when you will be when you will be more reliable, at that time all these things you have to take care of, right? जब आप इन सब एक्टिविटीज में जाओगे तो ये सारी चीजें आपको बहुत ही ध्यान रखनी है, right? Then only you have to be vigilant. सबसे बड़ी चीज यही है कि अगर आपको किसी भी एक्सीडेंट से बचना है, तो अगर आप कहीं पे भी बाहर निकलते हो तो you have to be very vigilant.
Do not allow anyone to enter in your house without any permission of your parents, right? ये सब चीजें बहुत ही ज्यादा ध्यान रखनी है. Even attacks happen, even the theft happen, इसी तरह होता है कि आप घर का दरवाजा खोल देते हो और कोई आपके घर में एंटर हो जाता है, then you become a helpless, right? Then anything can happen to you. So always be very careful, be very vigilant when you are at home also, or you are outside in the public area. So this is what the what to do and what not to do. Yes, Rajvi, read beta.
What to do, ma'am?
Yes, what to do and what not to do.
नीलम बापू नगर मोकला. Am I audible?
Yeah, read.
Inform the police about any doubtful behavior of any person. Do not touch any unclaimed thing in public places such as shopping malls, cinemas.
Your voice, Rajvi, your voice is not coming clear, beta.
Do not touch any unclaimed thing in public places such as shopping malls, cinemas, gardens, religious places, etc. Cooperate in security check for safety reasons. If you rent your house, register it with the nearest police station. This is required under legal provisions. Public places should be well equipped with CCTV cameras. While traveling in a bus or train, if any person is noticed having leaving his luggage behind, inform the responsible authorities immediately. If your neighbor is single, does not mingle with local people, is working on computer late night, then inform the police about his her behavior. Inform police about unclaimed vehicles. Do not what not to do. Do not accept any goods or parcel from any unknown person. Do not rent your house to an unknown person without due inquiry about you. Do not sell your home, mobile phone, or a vehicle to any unknown person. This problem is faced by many countries in the world.
Okay, Rajvi. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now, in this, any doubt, class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Now, see, now we are moving towards the another topic, that is riots. Now, tell me what exactly riots means. Riots का मतलब क्या होता है? What riots means?
Ma'am, the freedom given to मतलब freedom people को दी जाए कि तुम तुम्हारे मतलब हिसाब से यानी कर सको एंड बट प्रॉपर लॉ के हिसाब से.
Okay, I don't think
To
so.
protest
Anybody
against
else?
some things.
To protest against, okay, fine, to protest against something, but in the protest, what happened in riots means what, how they protest, so they are known as a
Ma'am?
riots. Yeah.
मैम राइट में दो
Yes,
रिलीजियस के बीच लड़ाई होती है.
Okay, fine. Anything else?
Street fight.
Okay,
Ma'am,
that the
riots
street
में
fight will not enter into the riots. Okay,
मैम
anybody
riots
else?
जो होते हैं उसमें वो लोग वायलेंटली एक दूसरे को मारते पिटाई करते हैं मतलब
Okay,
कि
fine.
साइलेंटली कुछ भी काम नहीं करते वो लोग. और मैम
Okay, good.
पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टीज को भी बहुत नुकसान पहुंचता है इससे.
Exactly. Oh, okay, Rudra. Anybody
नहीं, ये
else?
यूएस में हुआ था ना ये अभी.
हाँ,
यूएस में.
ब्लैक और व्हाइट्स के बीच में. हाँ
हाँ, वो हुआ था.
हाँ, वो राइट्स में कन्वर्ट हो गया था बिकॉज वन ब्लैक वाज अरेस्टेड बाय द व्हाइट
police, and he was molested, he was ill treated, and then he died in the police custody. So all the blacks were came on the road all over the US, and then they had damaged the public property and all. They had done many processions and everything had been done. So this situation went out of hand, and then it was converted into a riot. Yeah. See, okay, fine. Now see, riots means it's not like India only face riots. Riots happens all over the world. Means riots होते हैं हर जगह पे. ऐसी कोई country नहीं है जहाँ पे riots नहीं होते हैं. And riots means what? Like for example, when you have a difference of opinion for something, right? And then difference of opinion we try to we, like for example, एक रैली जा रही है, पीसफुल रैली जा रही है, उसमें किसी ने अटैक कर दिया, राइट? तो वी डोंट नो व्हाट हैड डन. सो सामने थोड़े से लोगों ने उन पे अटैक किया, फिर वो लोगों ने उन पे मारा मारी शुरू कर दी, और फिर उसमें से एक बहुत बड़ा इश्यू क्रिएट हो जाता है, राइट? because of the difference of opinion, because of their views are different, because of their many things, community is different. So communal riots are very common in our country. When two communities have difference of opinion, they comes on the road and then they start fighting, right? Then because of that, they will not see what is happening. They will destroy the bus station, they will destroy bus, they set fire the bus vehicles, sab kuch. Like for example, in Delhi also this happened, abhi hua tha. If you remember, in Delhi, because of this Muslim, we have taken 370 act from the Kashmir. So in Delhi there was a very big riot happened on the name of this only. So there are many riots happens. Riots में सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान पब्लिक का ही होता है, right? Why? Because they destroy the property of whatever the tax. यानी गवर्नमेंट तो पैसा नहीं बना के, गवर्नमेंट अपने घर में से, नरेंद्र मोदी अपनी सैलरी में से पैसा निकाल के, या मिनिस्टर्स पैसा निकाल के बस या स्टेशन या रोड नहीं बनाते हैं. जो हम पैसा देते हैं, जो हम टैक्स देते हैं, वैसे भी इंडिया में से 100% में से सिर्फ 20% लोग ही टैक्स देते हैं, और उसमें से ये पूरा इंडिया का जितनी भी पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी है वो बनती है, राइट? और उसमें भी हम ही उस प्रॉपर्टी का नुकसान करते हैं जिसके लिए हमने ही टैक्स पे किया है. So directly or indirectly, what we are doing, we are destroying and damaging our property only, right? So these people don't understand, and they damage the public property. They feel कि we are doing a very good job, right? So riots happens because of this, because of difference of opinion in the community or in any as such type, and then it will make a very big a big what we say, a big scene of it. And then many people, sometimes many people also died in this, property damaged in a very large amount. सबसे ज्यादा riots में property सबसे ज्यादा damage होती है. Many people get injured because of that, right? People will not come out of their houses in the fear if they will be injured. पूरा जो normalization होता है हमारा, that will be disturbed because of that. Sometimes army has to be called, sometimes black commandos has to be called. Riots का issue जब बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. So this type of situation had been seen in our country. So this is what the riots are all about. Okay, Dhrumi, read.
Dhrumi had reads one.
Dhrumi और कृष्णा का हाथ खड़ा है, तो मैं
6 मिनट
कौन
में
रीड
रिजॉइन करना
करेगा?
है ना वापस.
हाँ, कौन रीड करेगा अभी? तीर्थ, तुम रीड करो बेटा. तीर्थ पटेल, you will read?
No, ma'am, I cannot read.
Okay, Kushal Punjabi.
Yes, ma'am.
will you read, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why you people are not interested in reading? Manit, will you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read, beta.
Riots. This problem is faced by many countries in the world. If we examine the general characteristics of any riot, it is noticed the most of the persons are not aware of this root cause or purpose. Uh, their presence is only for crowding or for imitation. Such crowd which gathers without any common purpose or interest seems to disturb the peace intentionally. Such riots make the administrative setup which is established by law unstable. Sometimes when such riots take a political color and turn into a revolt or or are transformed into a communal riot, the social well-being and harmony are at risk. Innocent citizens have to suffer a lot due to such riots. Life sustenance of labors becomes very difficult. Moreover, a lot of life and property are damaged. It creates a challenge to maintain the unity and integrity of the nation. So it is necessary to curb the riots through strong action.
Okay. So riots, understood. Riots means के they don't know what are the reasons. They all gather. जिसको काम नहीं होता है सब इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं और फिर वो रैली कर रहे होते हैं और रैली में किसी ने कुछ there are a few peoples those who उसे नहीं कहते कि कुछ भी शुरू करना है तो लड़ाई झगड़ा कर दिया, किसी को मार दिया, किसी पे पत्थर फेंक दिया, तो देन सम पर्सन विल इंजर्ड, तो फिर यहाँ से भी पत्थर फेंकना शुरू हो जाता है और इसी तरह से विदाउट एनी रीजन रायट स्टार्टेड. So this is very common. This happened in our country, and sometimes because of the political view of point, riots happens in our country. So the riots are very common in our country. Yes, beta.
मैम मतलब ये राइट है वो नवरे लोग करते हैं.
Sorry.
ये जो राइट है वो नवरे लोग करते हैं.
हाँ, तो ज्यादातर नवरे जिनके पास काम नहीं होता वही रैलीज और उसमें जाते हैं. जिनके पास काम होता है वो बेचारे सीधा ऑफिस जाते हैं और ऑफिस से घर आते हैं. So yes, those who don't have any work to do, they do, go into all these rallies and then they converted into the riots. Okay, what to do? Who will read? Aniket, read better.
Okay, ma'am. What to do? Prevent talks which spread rumors and violence. Form a peace committee in your residential area and be actively involved. Perform your civil duties by helping those affected by the riot. What not to do? Do not be instrumental in spreading rumors. Do not violate the instruction or curfew declared by the authority to maintain law and order. Do not believe and spread baseless talks appearing in social media. Terrorists sometimes hijack a bus, train, or a plane to get their demands meet with for releasing their accomplish from jail or for other demands. They bring pressure by taking the passengers as hostage in the working of the administrations. In such intentions, plans are implemented to relieve the citizen either by commando operation or through the talk with the terrorist.
Okay. Now see what to do means we have to first thing when riots type of situation happens, you have to not to spread rumors. अभी बीच में गुजरात में riots हो गए थे तब पता है व्हाट्सएप सोशल मीडिया बैन कर दिया था. Why? Because on the social media many people were spreading rumors, और rumors spread होते हैं social media पे, तो बहुत ही गलत information लोगों के पास जाती है, and because of that riots will more intensified, यानी बहुत ज्यादा intensified हो जाते हैं. So rumor should not be spread. If you don't know anything, stay mum. Don't write anything of what you don't know about, right? Then you have to follow the peace committees are there in residential area, so you have to actively involved in that, and try to try to control the riots, means अपनी civil duties के हिसाब से समझा के बाहर नहीं निकल के आपको आपकी duties कर as a good citizen you have to fulfill your duties and not to affect the riot.